In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Etsy to Shopify, a process that can really streamline your business operations and help increase your sales potential. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, integrating these two powerful platforms can offer a seamless way to manage your e-commerce stores and expand your reach to a broader audience. Firstly, to connect Etsy to Shopify, you'll need to have active accounts on both platforms. Once you've confirmed this, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Shopify App Store. Here, you're going to search for an app that allows integration between Etsy and Shopify. Popular choices include apps like Etsy Marketplace Integration or Etsy Integration Sync. These apps are designed specifically to facilitate the process of connecting your two stores, synchronizing inventory, orders, and product details. After you've chosen and installed your preferred app, open it within your Shopify dashboard. Most apps will guide you through a setup process, where you'll be required to connect your Etsy account. Typically, this involves clicking a connect button that will redirect you to Etsy, where you'll need to sign in and grant permission for the app to access your Etsy store information. Granting these permissions is essential for the app to work effectively. Once authorization is in place, you can start adjusting the settings based on what fits your specific business needs. These settings allow you to control how your products, orders, and inventory are synced between Shopify and Etsy. You may decide to have products imported from one platform to the other or run a two-way synchronization to update product details automatically on both platforms. Keep in mind, it's important to regularly update inventory settings to prevent overselling, which can be a common issue if products aren't tracked properly. It's also wise to conduct a thorough review of your product listings after synchronization. Each platform may have different requirements or allowable variations for product listings, titles, and descriptions, so be prepared to make manual adjustments as necessary to ensure your products are presented professionally and accurately on both Shopify and Etsy. Once everything is synced and reviewed, begin monitoring your sales. With the integration app, your orders should start appearing on both platforms, allowing you to manage fulfillment in a more streamlined manner. Look for any discrepancies in inventory or orders early on to be proactive in addressing any technical hiccups. Lastly, keep abreast of any updates both on Etsy and Shopify, as well as on your chosen integration app. Updates often bring new functionality and improvements, which can be crucial for maintaining a smooth operational flow. With these steps, you're well equipped to synchronize your Etsy and Shopify stores, capturing more of the e-commerce market and managing operations efficiently. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you find success in connecting your Etsy to Shopify.